again.
So I started working with the Rakai Census program, and the Rakai Census program is based on doing circumcision, and also on doing circumcision we've seen opportunities where for people who are circumcised, after removing the foreskin, there are chances of removing the anaerobic bacteria which may be susceptible to HIV, or they may facilitate on HIV susceptibility or acquisition of HIV. And some bacteria may inhibit this. So once the foreskin has been removed, that means some markers of viral or bacterial markers may be removed that may adhere to CD4 markers, which may also yield on HIV entry. Therefore, circumcision, we've seen that it has played a big role to reduce the first of all, it helps in cleanliness. Somebody has to be clean when the foreskin has been removed. Two, bacteria that are anaerobic or they are oxygen or they are limited to oxygen are also removed, and even that environment which supports the abiotic factors. For example, these are non-living like moisture,